Hey guys, welcome to Arctech. So in this video, I'll solve a question again based on finding the output, and then here we have pointers. Okay, so we'll go line by line here. We have IO stream. Okay, then we have conio. Okay, then we have void main. Okay, now here is the main program. So we'll go line by line again, and here we have an array of type integer. Okay, so the array name is A, capital A, and these are the values stored in the array. Okay, then we have integer star p. Now here, as we are declaring a variable and we are using star here, this means that we are declaring a pointer. Okay, so therefore p is a pointer of type integer and we are assigning it a value that is a. Now here we are assigning it the name of the array here. Okay, so whenever we are assigning name of array to a pointer, this means that we are assigning the address of the first variable of the array. Okay, so here we are assigning the address of 10 to the pointer. Therefore we will get value which is the address of this 10, that is the first variable of the array. Okay, so then we'll go to the next line. Here we have a for loop, so this is the for loop, this means is the for loop. Okay, now what is the test condition here? Test is star p is less than 30. Okay, I'll let it here. Okay, so this is the test condition here. So whenever this condition is true, we'll go inside the loop, and if this is false, we'll go after this loop, that is we'll go here. Okay, now see, now what is star p right now? Right now star p is star p will get the value which is the value present at the address the pointer is storing. Okay, now the pointer p is storing the address of the first element. The value of the value at the first element is 10. Okay, so we'll get star p as 10 right now. Okay, therefore our star p will become 10. I'll write it here. Okay, so now we have star p as 10. Then we'll go inside the loop. We'll test the condition here. Now is star p less than 30, that is 10 less than 30? Yes, so we'll go inside this loop. Now we have if statement here. Okay, now what this says is, see here we have not equal to. Okay, so what this means is that whenever star p modulus 3 is not equal to 0, then enter here. And if star p modulus 3 is equal to 0, then don't enter here, just enter the else part. Okay, so whenever we'll get star p as a model of star p as a multiple of 3, then we'll not enter here, we'll enter here else part. And whenever we'll get star p as not a multiple of 3, we'll enter here. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So we have star p as 10. So is 10, okay, is 10, what is 10 modulus 3? 10 modulus 3 is nothing but 1. Okay. Now is 1 equal to 0? No, so that means that we'll enter this part. And what happened here, we'll have star p is equal to star p plus 2. What is star p? Star p is 10. 10 will become star p plus 2, that is 12. So we'll get new value of that is 12. So here 10 will become 12. Okay, now 10 has become 12. So this is 12 here. Okay, then what will happen? This is executed. We'll not go the else part because we have executed this part. So we'll go here. Here we have p plus plus. Therefore our pointer will become plus plus. Since the pointer was pointing here, now after incrementation by 1, it will point to the next value, that is 15. That means that now our pointer will point here. Okay, so it is pointing to 15 here. Okay, this means that the pointer is pointing here. Okay, then what will happen? We'll go for the another round. Then we have star p. Now star p is 15 because we are pointing at the next value and the pointer is storing the address of this. Therefore star p will become 15 here. So I'll let it 15 here. Okay, now we'll check this. Is star p less than 30? That is 15 less than 30? Yes, it is less than 30. So we'll enter the next part, that is this part. Okay, now we have statement here if. Now what is p star p modulus 3? Star p modulus 3 is nothing but 15 modulus 3. Now 15 modulus 3 is nothing but 0. Now this says that don't enter here if you have 0. Star modulus 3 as 0. So now we have star modulus 3 as 0. Therefore we will not enter here. We'll enter this part. Therefore we have else star p will become star p plus 1. Now star p is 15, so this will become 15 plus 1. Therefore we'll get this as 15 plus 1, that is 16. Okay, now after this we'll go here, that is p plus plus. Therefore our p will point to the next value, that is 20. So let it here. Okay, now our pointer is pointing to this value, that is the pointer is storing the address of this value. Okay, now we'll go here. Now star p will have value, that is the value at this address, that is 20. Therefore star p will become 20 here. Now we'll check, is 20 less than 30? Yes, 20 is less than 30. So we'll enter this part. Now it says that if this is not equal to 0, then enter here. Now we have 20 modulus 3 as 2, and 2 is not equal to 0. Therefore we'll enter this part. Okay. Now our star p, that is 20, will become 20 plus 2, that is 22. Okay, this is 22. Therefore we'll get this value as 22 here. Okay, now again we'll not go here because this is else part. We'll go here. P will become p plus plus, that is p will point to the next value, that is 20, this is, so we'll get p here. Now p is having the address of this. Now we'll again go here. We'll test the condition, is star p. What is star p here now? Now star p is 25 because p is storing the address of 25. So our star p will become 25. Now we'll check that, is star p less than 30? Is 25 less than 30? Yes. So we'll enter here. Okay. Now we have, if star p modulus 3 not equal to 0. So what is star p modulus 3? That is, what is 25 modulus 3? That is 1. Okay. So is 1 not equal to 0? Yes, it is not equal to 0. Therefore we'll enter here. Now star p will become star p plus 2. That is 25 will become 25 plus 2. That is 27. So we'll write this 27 here because this is our new value. After this we'll not go here. We'll just go here. Now p will become p plus plus. That is p will point to the next variable. Now here p will point to the next, that is 30. So now pointer is having the address of 30 here. Okay. Now again we'll go here. We'll check this condition. What is star p here? Star p is 30. Okay. So we'll test this. Is 30 less than 30? That is 30 less than 30? No, 30 is equal to 30. Therefore, we'll not enter here. We'll just terminate this part. We'll go here. Okay. Okay. So we'll go to the for loop here. Now in the for loop we have j. Now, well, j will become j. We have a new value, so j will become as 0. Okay, because here we have 0. Now this loop will work until j is less than or equal to 4. That is j will, this loop will work when j is 0, 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Okay. When j is 5, this will not work. Okay, so we'll enter this loop. Now what we have? We have c out as a of j. That is c out. We have c out as a of 0 because j is 0 here. What is a of 0? This much a. Okay, this is a. We have this as a, and now a of 0 is this, that is 12. So we'll get output as, so here are the outputs. We'll get output as 12. Then we have a star here, so we'll write star here. Okay, then we'll go here. What this says is that if j modulus 3 is equal to 0, then enter here. Okay, now what is j modulus 3? J is 0 and 0 modulus 3 is 0. Since it is 0, we'll enter here. We have c out as, then we have c out as e and l, that is new line. So we'll go to new line here because this is the output here. Okay, now we'll go here. Now j will become plus plus, j will become 1. Okay, so we have j as 1. Then we have c out as a of j. Now, a of j is a of 1, and a of 1 is, here is, this is a of 0, this is a of 1, that is 16. Okay, so we'll get output as a of j, that is 16. Okay, then we have star here, so let's star here. Okay, then we'll go here. Then we have, is j modulus 3 equal to 0? J is j is 1. So 1 modulus 3 is 1. This is not equal to 0, so we'll not enter here. We'll go for the next round. That is, j will become 2 now. So we have j as 2. Now we'll check, is 2 less than or equal to 4? Yes, it is true. We'll enter here. We'll have c out as a of j. A of j is a of 2. A of 2 is, this is a of y, this is a of 2. So we output as 22. So we'll write 22 here. Okay, then we'll check that is j, that is 2 modulus 3 equal to 0. No, 2 modulus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore this is not true, so we'll not enter here. We'll go to the next round, that is our j will become 3 here. Now we'll check is 3 less than or equal to 4. Yes, it is true, so we'll enter here. We'll get c out as a of j. Now, a of j is a of 3, and a of 3 here is 27. Okay, so we'll give output as 27. Okay, so we forgot to write star here because we had star here, so I forgot that. So here we have star. Okay, then as written here, we'll give output as a of 3. Okay, so a of 3 is 27, so we'll write 27 here. And then we have star again, so we'll write star here. Okay, then we'll go here. Now is 3, that is j modulus 3 equal to 0, that is 3 modulus 3 equal to 0, so it is equal to 0. So this is true, so we'll enter here, that is e and dl, that will get a new line. So we'll go to the new line here. So we'll go again here. Now j will become plus to this plus plus, that is j will become 4. Okay, so we have j as 4. Then we'll check is 4 less than or equal to 4. Yes, it is true. So we'll enter here. Here we have c out as a of j. Now what is j? J is 4. So we'll give output as 4, a of 4, that is 30. Okay, so we'll have here 30. Then we have star, so we'll write star here. Okay, then we'll check is j, that is 4 modulus 3. What is 4 modulus 3? This is equal to 1. So now is 4 modulus 3 equal to 0? No. So we'll not enter here. We'll go for the next round. Now j will become plus plus, that is j will become 5. Now we'll check is 5 less than or equal to 4? No. This is wrong. So we'll just end this part and we'll go for the next statement, that is c out a of 4 into 3. What is a of 4? We have a of 4 as 30 because this is a of 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is a of 30. A of 4 is 30. So we'll give output as a of 4 into 3, that is 30 into 3, that is 90. So we'll get output as 90 here. Okay, then we have e and dl, so we'll go to the new line and then this is it. So we are at the end and this is over. So in the answer sheet you will just write this part. Okay, so because we are giving output only in this part, so we'll write this only, and in the rough side you can write this if you want. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries you can comment below.